Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today we're gonna learn how to fix Minecraft Java.Lang in null pointer exception. To do so, we need to go to the search bar and search for control panel. Then click the view by in the top right corner and then click on small icon. So here, as you can see, all the icon got small and you have to find out the Java 32-bit. After clicking on Java 32, you have to select the update, which is in the top bar, and then click on update now in the bottom. Once the update is completed, you just have to go to programs and features. Then you have to look for Java 8 update 431, as you can see in my screen. After finding it, simply just you have to do is uninstall the Java. After uninstalling it, you will see your problem will be fixed. If this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.